What's up, guys? It is your girl Tree with another tip from Tree Tips Media. Okay, shout out to my Los Angeles Dodgers, but I'm in the Tree Tips Lounge just kicking it with my wine and grapes. I had to get into this Diddy content for y'all. All right, Diddy got this new attorney, and I said this on another show. Her name is Alexandra Shapiro. She is an amazing appellate attorney. She's worked a lot of high profile cases and she's won some, right? She's been filing motions all over the place, guys. And I'm going to talk about a few of them. So one of the first ones that she filed was to the Second Circuit Court of Appeals. Basically, she won because Diddy has already had a bail hearing. He's had an appeal on the bail hearing, and we're looking at a second appeal for the bail hearing. She's filed a motion to put that second appeal bail hearing on hold. Why did she do that? Because she wants to open up and file a new motion for a new bail hearing in the U.S. District Court. So basically, you can't bring up new issues in an appellate bail hearing. So the one she filed a motion to put on hold, they can only talk about the issues that was brought up in the original bail hearing. So she had to file a motion to put that one on hold in order to file a new motion for a new bail hearing in the district court. Hope y'all caught that. So in this new bail hearing, and this motion was granted, y'all, that old bail hearing appeal is on hold. In this new bail hearing, she's basically saying, and she has to come with new evidence. So she's coming with a whole new sort of evidence in order for the judge to hear it to see if they're going to grant Diddy bail. And he might get granted bail. I just want to put that buzz out there because she got a whole slew of stuff that she's putting together in this packet for this new bail hearing. If they don't grant him bail, she still has this appellate bail hearing on hold that she can, still tweak and let the judge hear hear what they have to say about it. Anyway, she also filed a 5-page motion that Diddy has been targeted for unending streaming of allegations by prospective witnesses and their counsel. This is that man, Attorney Busby in Texas, that got on there and said that he have over 120 people that are filing lawsuits against Diddy. So she's basically filing a motion to say that because this is going on, it's tainting the jury pool for Diddy. So she said that the DA basically need to let them know how many victims there are in this case, in the criminal case, because the DA is basically saying we have more victims and we can supersede and charge with more crimes. So she's like, we're not about to play this guessing game with you. We're not going to play this guessing game. We need to know who these victims are, and we need to know by this deadline. So she asked for a deadline of October 20-something, but the judge granted a deadline for the district attorney to get off of the pot with this by October 30th. So guys, we might see more charges filed against Diddy, and we might find out that there's more victims out there by October 30th, because the district attorney has to October 30th to give the list of victims that's going to be charged, that's going to be a part of this indictment. She basically said in her motion, we shouldn't have to play the guessing game on who these victims are. You have all of these civil suits. They're saying that they've talked to the feds. So the feds have their information. The feds should know who's going to be, if they're going to charge Diddy with any extra victims in this case. And we need to know in order to build a defense, Your Honor, for him against these additional victims that they might have and might not have. So The feds already said that they might supersede some stuff. So it might be some more charges filed against Diddy by October 30th. The judge signed off on that one too. So she won that motion as well. They have to turn over all of that sensitive information so they can see who the victims are in this case. And this is good on behalf of Diddy because, like she said, all of these people is coming out the woodworks with these claims, and it's tainting the jury pool. Listen. She is on her stuff, guys, and a lot of motions have been filed on Diddy's behalf and has been accepted, right? Remember I told y'all that Diddy needed some new attorneys, and he has basically built a dream team. This new bail hearing for him is, I think, in his defense, is an amazing thing because it's basically like he's going to get a start over with his bail. The bail appeal, he can't get a start over with that. When it's an appeal, you only can go off of the information that your attorney originally filed for the bail hearing. So I guess she found some more stuff. Remember, she is an experienced appellate attorney. So she found some more stuff. So she's going back to the original court, which is the U.S. District Court, with this packet. What all is in it? I can't wait to see. But she got some stuff up in there that can really probably get Diddy granted a bail. I also like the fact that she basically made the DA put his money where his mouth is. Okay, you guys say you have this. You say you have more victims. You say you're going to be doing more charges. Bring it on. Where is it? Because we need to start preparing a defense. This trial is scheduled to begin May 5th. And Diddy did not waive his rights for a speedy trial. So it's going to be a speedy trial. And usually, when these defendants don't waive their right to a speedy trial, it causes the DA to have to hurry up and get their stuff together. Now, the DA is saying that because she also filed another motion about the electronic devices. She wants to know what's taking so long for them to extract the electronic devices. Like, we need to know what the discovery evidence is. There is another motion that the judge it's an evidentiary hearing that his defense is asking for, because what they're saying is the DA leaked a lot of information, a lot of discovery, a lot of evidence, and they had the judge to sign off on a gag order where the DA can't release anything. No information can get out. Not only that, some people probably is going to have to get on the stand, like CNN, who released that Cassie tape, and they're going to have to tell where they got that tape from. Because if it came from Homeland Security or the district attorney, it's going to be hell to pay. It might get, Cassie tape could get excluded out of this whole set of evidence if it was leaked from one of those sources. So the judge wants to know who leaked this information, and there's going to be a hearing. So that's going to be juicy as well. Child, listen. Diddy done put together his dream team like I knew he would. He got all this money. So we're about to get to the nitty-gritty on what is really going on with this case, y'all. And also remember, on the outside looking in is Spiro, who's Jay-Z attorney, who was hired by Tupac family allegedly to investigate Diddy and the unaliving of Tupac. But that's a whole nother case. But guys, motions have been granted for Diddy's defense. He might be getting out on bail soon. This is your girl Tree with another tip from Tree Tips Media. Smooches.